We just restocked with 7 new slimes on Snoop Slime's website. Crown Jewels is a crunch bomb that will have you feel like royalty. It's sparkly just like a bedazzled crown and might even contain real diamonds. But don't tell anyone I said that. Atlantis is a crisp slime that smells like delicious slime. It took me forever to find this one and I think I might be the first one to do so. Be on the lookout for the news story. Dragon's Nest is a DIY butter slime that comes with the coolest custom clay add-on we've ever made. It makes crazy bubble pops and squishes that you're bound to wake up the sleeping beast. Fairy Ring is a Bingsun Snowfish slime we pulled straight from the enchanted forest of Slimeland. It smells like vanilla pear and attracts fairies very well. Phoenix Fire Potion is a metallic slime that makes anyone that touches it an ASMR expert. This potion will have your bubble pops and poking skills on point and it might just last forever. Wizard's Tower is a DIY gel slime that smells like toasted marshmallow that comes with a giant wizard's tower. But be careful when playing with this one because this might just pour a spill on you. Gamer's Dice is also a metallic slime but with sponge cubes inspired by D&D.